Hello everybody. As you may know, we're trying to get things going here. We're about a week out from our travel abroad, and we're spending the week in Madeline Island. Lisa's here with me today, and we've had a number of people ask us how we were packing for 6 months in our backpacks alone. We thought, well, maybe we'll do a little video to cover what we're doing. I gotta say, thank you to Lisa for all the research she's done on YouTube. I'm watching every single packing video you can imagine for the last several months.
Planning.
I've benefited. I have benefited. But we have two different packing styles, as you would expect. And we thought we'd have a little video talking about how we pack our bags. These are our bags we're going to travel with for 6 months. I chose the Osprey Farpoint 40. And Lisa?
I have the Peak Design 40 liter.
And both of them hold 40 liters. Lisa's expands out for another additional 5. Is that right?
Yep.
45
liter.
And we're gonna break each bag down apart, and then you can actually look at it and see what each one has available to you, as well as what we have packed. This is gonna be fun. All right, so here's the bag. This is a backpack, but it has a handle on either end. Most of the backpacks do, and this actually stores away the straps and the belt harness. You can just roll this up, stick it inside, or if you want to pack it up for being in an airplane, then you'll have less straps, less things to catch. Traveling with a water bottle that we got from a thrift store, because if I lose it, it's okay. It's also a metal bottle. Flipping things over and opening it up. 2 straps. Open up the clam, and here we have our internal workings. In the main compartment, I have the tech bag, and we'll cover that later. I have a light rain jacket that is water repellent and quick dry. In this compression bag, I have socks, underwear, and hankies. This is our medication bag, and that covers a lot of things. And in here are all the tops I have. So a sweater, t-shirts, sweatshirt, all sorts of things, all fit in here, squeezed up tight into a brick. We're carrying 2 pairs of jeans. This pair is black, the blue jeans I'm wearing. Toiletries. Moving on to the top. This bag has a razor, or the electric shaver, cordless. A bag of laundry detergent, so we can wash clothes when we're over there. 1 book that I got from a family member that I intend to re-gift to somebody overseas, or some bookstore. I'm sure they'll get used to it. Finally, we have a bag of clothespins and some larger compression bags that we can use for transporting dirty laundry. Fairly sizable. In addition to this, I've chosen to take an umbrella because Europe is very rainy this time of year. And I'm getting older, so reading glasses. And all of that, in addition to my laptop, because this video wouldn't come to you without it. That's my bag. Do you want to see inside the pouches? Because we can take it all apart. We have enough time. I mean, we have always got enough time. You take this bag and set it down for now. Laptop. We're going to go on to the tops. Compression bags are really fun. I'm going to show you how they work, but there are so many wonderful videos on the internet talking about travel that I'm not going to do that justice. but I can just go around here and unzip this, and the bag actually gets much bigger, much more loose. I'll open the top strap, inside there, swim trunks, 1, 2, 3, 4 is over here, collared shirt, light blue sweater, heavier purple sweater. I'm not really going to show you my underwear because I don't think it's necessary. But I will tell you, hankies are much better for the environment. We can just wash them as we need them, and they'll last forever. And we're going there in the winter, so it's going to be a good chance we're going to get a cold. For a razor, I chose a like a wall cordless, and had a whole bunch of fittings on them, which means I can use it for beard trimming. Clearly, I need that. And shaving. And tech bag. I think that's the most important thing I can cover right now. It's got a wide variety of things there. We have a extension cord with USB ports on it so that we can connect our tech up to it. We have a universal adapter for all the different electrical plug-in types. Let's see, we've got a couple charging bricks in here, sorted cables, and AirPods. We have a router with VPN on it, so that if we log into any Wi-Fi in a hotel or a private place, we can have our own security. We'll just use it as a pass-through, or I don't remember what the terminology is. It's not important. I think that's it. I'm not going to go through the med bag, maybe later, but I think this is it. This is 6 months worth of travel for me.
Okay, this is my bag. It is the Peak Design 40 liter, and it has tons of pockets. I'm not going to go through all the pockets because I don't even use all the pockets. But the front pocket I use for my daily meds and liquids, so they're easy to access if I need to. Hand sanitizer, water drops, etc. There's also braces stuff in here, wax and flossers and all kinds of good stuff in there. Let's see. Then when I'm traveling, I'll probably put my passport in this pocket. And on both sides, there is a spot for a water bottle. And I forgot to grab my water bottle. I have a collapsible silicone water bottle. And enough padlocks for the entire world. I have 4 flexible ones and 1 rigid one, if we should happen to need one for a locker. Flip my bag over. It has handles on all 4 sides and the back. When you need to carry it as a backpack, the straps just hide away. So that's pretty nice. It's very quick stow. This is my toiletry bag. I have my compression bag here for wet or dirty items. I also have first aid kits, manicure kits. I have all the what if stuff in here. I have glasses cleaning kits. I have eye masks, earplugs, Q-tips, anything we could possibly need. A triple antibiotic cream, all the what if stuff. And here is my rain jacket, my winter hat, my cowl, all in this compression bag. And here is my tech bag. I've got a battery pack, 2 bricks, and then a charging cord for each of my watch, my earbuds, and my iPad. And then I have 3 compression cubes of clothes and a backpack that folds in on itself for a day pack. I also have my travel outfit that I am currently wearing. I have a Turkish towel that doubles as a blanket, and I have a laundry bag that folds up into a nice tiny little bag if it didn't have dirty laundry in it. I also have my purse that is separate from, or a sling bag that serves as a purse that is separate from my backpack. And in my cubes, I pack differently than Chad. I pack by the outfit. So in the first one, I have my pair of jeans. I also have a pair of dress pants, and then I have a linen shirt, pair of underwear, and actually this cube has 2 pair of underwear and a bra. Then the next cube has, this particular cube is my, this one also has a pair of socks. This one has a belt, 2 pairs of socks, my hankies, my pajamas, which double as my laundry day outfit, and my base layers / long underwear, top and bottom. And my last cube has my other pair of jeans, socks, 2 more pair of underwear, 2 more bras, another scarf, and another top. That is everything I am bringing to Europe for 6 months.
Well, that's it for our video today. You got a chance to see what our bags look like. And we're going to be popping around Madeline Island for the next few days. I think we'll maybe do another video on what's going on up here, sort of a precursor to our taking off. But, yeah, you know, if you're seeing this, you're probably related to us or you're our friends. You should be our friends. No, go ahead and like and subscribe, because that's what you got to do, because that's what will eventually make this grow. So thank you very much and have a fabulous day.